Welcome! Today we're diving into the updated way to see shared activity with someone on Instagram. Whether you want to check out mutual interactions or just stay connected with a friend's Instagram activity, this feature makes it easy and straightforward. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features smoothly. Next, head over to the profile of the person whose shared activity you want to see. You can do this by typing their username in the search bar, or by finding them in your followers or following list. Once you're on their profile page, look to the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. This is the menu button that gives you more options related to that account. Tap on those 3 dots, and a menu will pop up. Among the options, find and tap on See Shared Activity. This will open a new screen showing you the interactions and activities you share with this person. It could include posts you've both liked, comments you've made on the same posts, or other mutual engagements on Instagram. This feature is great for keeping track of your connections and exploring how you interact with friends or followers on the platform. It's also useful if you want to discover new content based on your shared interests. Remember, Instagram updates its features regularly, so having the latest version of the app will ensure you can access this and other new options without any trouble. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can easily see shared activity with anyone on Instagram, helping you stay connected and engaged with your community. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more Instagram tips to make the most out of your social media experience.